Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create beautiful glitter text effects using Canva. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and the best part, you don't need any design skills at all. Glitter text effects aren't just pretty, they're powerful. You can use them to instantly level up your social media content, make your digital invitation stand out, and add sparkle to YouTube thumbnails or video intros. They're also great for business promotions, think banners, posters, and eye-catching advertisements. And the best part, you can create all of this easily using Canva. So let's get started. To start, first head over to canva.com and click on Create a Design. For this video, I'm choosing a presentation slide as my base canvas, but honestly, you can pick any size you prefer. So first, head over to the Elements tab on the left and type in glitter. We're basically looking for a glittery texture to use for our text effect. Now, Canva doesn't have a huge collection of glitter backgrounds under graphics, so I'm jumping straight into the Photos section. And for today, this is the one I'm going with. It is super pretty and sparkly. Now to create the actual glitter text effect, I'm going to click on apps on the left and type font frame. This is the app that makes this effect creation really easy. As you can see, we start with the base hello world. So here on the add text box, I'm going to write glitter effect, and you can automatically see the preview above. You can also adjust the glitter background into the text in the preview by simply dragging the cursor. So before moving any further, I'm going to select the glitter background image and click on use selected image. So you can automatically see that the glitter background image is now part of the text. So now we will move further and edit our glitter text effect. So what I normally like to do first is adjust the border weight. I like to keep it 0 because when I put it against a darker background, I feel like the glitter really sparkles. But honestly, you can choose whichever you want according to your preference and taste. Next, I'll choose the font, and for this particular effect, I'm going to choose Anton, but you can go for whichever you prefer. So you can immediately see the difference in the preview after choosing Anton. So now you can adjust further. As you can see the effect on the preview, so you can adjust accordingly. Since I don't have any further changes to make and I like it, I'm just going to click on add to design, and you can immediately see the text come to life. Now personally, I feel like this type of glitter effects look better with darker backgrounds, so I'm going to just change the color of the background to black, and you can definitely see the change in the effect itself. I'm just going to crop and adjust a little bit before I make the text bigger. And this is how you can easily and quickly create any type of glitter text effect using Canva. So now, in order to show you guys a few more examples, I'm going to demonstrate the same thing using different glitter backgrounds. So let's quickly hop on to that. I'm duplicating the same thing to another page and making it smaller so that we can have the comparisons all fit into the same page. So going back to the Elements tab on the left again, I'm going to write glitter pink this time. And this is the glitter background photo that I will be working with for this example. So just like the previous time, we are going to go to font frame again and use selected image to edit our glitter text effect. Make any further adjustments you need to make when you're doing it. For me, I am happy with this, with the Anton. So I will just click on add to design, and here we are going to adjust it again like last time, which means the cropping and size adjustments, and you can see we have another glitter text effect ready. I will create another example now. So for this one, I have to use the classic gold example. So going to the elements, I'm going to type glitter gold, or you can type gold glitter, whichever is preferable for you. And from photos, this is the glitter background that I will be working with. Immediately, I will repeat the same steps like last time, which means going to apps, clicking on font frame, and repeat the same steps. The only thing I did different for this example is to just change the font, as you can see. Other than that, everything is going to remain the same. And here we go with this example as well. And now I will create the final example for this video. Following the same steps, I'll go back to elements, and this time I'll type glitter silver. And this is the photo I will work with. Going back to font frame, I'm going to type learn with Sneem this time. But as you can see, I'm not putting them all in the same line. I'm going to be putting in different lines so that I can also show you the proper use of letter spacing and line spacing options. I also changed the font to Anton just to show you a clear demonstration with the letter and line spacing. And just like that, we are concluding with the final example of our glitter text effect for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyed it, please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Your support honestly means the world to me. I'd also love to hear what kinds of videos you want to see next, so let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about Canva, analytics, or marketing related content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I promise you won't regret it. See you again very soon in the next video.